Most people think the grind starts with their first paycheck. They think the mask is something they put on at 9 a.m. and take off at 5 p.m. They are wrong, because the mask doesn't clock out when you do. We live in a world of utility. In the modern landscape, your value is tied to your output. If you aren't productive, you are told you are useless. And to remain useful, you must surrender the most precious thing you own, your authentic self. This is the utility trap. The system doesn't need you to be a person. It needs you to be a function. A set of skills optimized for compliance, endurance, and standardization. And here is the terrifying truth. You were trained for this. Long before you ever entered a boardroom or logged into a Zoom call, you were being calibrated. They told you that being a good student was a personality trait. It isn't. It's a calibration for the assembly line. The school was the incubator. The first place you learned that your value was tied to how well you could perform correct behavior for an external authority. Once you accept the work mask, the infection begins to spread. It's called social leakage. It's the way your work speak follows you home. It's the way you bring compliance mode back home to your marriage. It's the way you become a ghost in your own dining room. Because you spent so long performing for an audience that doesn't even know your name, that you've forgotten how to be present for the people who actually do. This is the internalized rot, the realization that you are performing a character to buy things that distract you from the fact that you are working to buy them. A closed loop of exhaustion and numbing. A life lived in the service of a system that doesn't want you happy, it just wants you functional. But there is a way to fight back. It isn't about quitting, it's about sovereignty. It's about finding the parts of yourself that have zero value to the grind. The parts they can't tax. The parts they can't optimize. Your private sanctuary, your secret life. In the next video, we're going to look at where the mask was first forged. The incubator. We're talking about the school mask and why you were taught to love the very thing that is designed to erase you. Stay observant. Life. Just live it.